Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about finding area and perimeter using non-standard units. I know you guys have done some area and perimeter already, but I'm just going to do a little reminder of the definitions of area and perimeter so you guys can remember what you've learned in the past. Area is the number of square units needed to cover the surface of a figure without overlap. And perimeter is the distance around a figure that can be measured in linear units. A good way that I like to remember that is to think of a fence. So if you think of your yard being completely fenced in, the fence is going to be the perimeter, and everything that's fenced in is going to be the area. So we're going to start just kind of looking at a few examples and practicing a little with you guys how to find area and perimeter using non-standard units. So you have lots of practice for your worksheet and your activity today. So we're going to start with a couple figures that I've drawn on the graph paper. So let's start with this one. You can kind of quickly look at this one and see that 4 squares have been colored in. So you know that the area for this one is 4 units squared. Now we're going to go around and count the perimeter of this figure. So we know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know the perimeter is 8 units squared because there's 8 sides to this figure. And just remember when you're counting the corners to count both corners of the one square. Let's go on to this one to get some more practice. We can look at this figure and know that the area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units squared. And if we do the perimeter, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to be 10 units. So remember that area is always squared and perimeter is just units. So you have to remember that when you're labeling for your worksheet and your activity, that area always has the squared figure. So today you guys are going to be doing a fun activity with me practicing area and perimeter a little more finding it using non-standard units. So these are going to be our non-standard units today, just our orange tiles. So each group, you guys are going to be working in partners today after you do the worksheet, and each group is going to have a bag of these orange squares and 4 different shapes, and they're all going to be different colors. So some groups might have a blue shape that's this size, where someone else might have a blue shape that's this size, so don't worry that they're a little different. Let's start, we'll practice first with the green one. We're going to use our tiles or our non-standard units to figure out the area and perimeter of this shape. Non-standard units too, they can really be any size. They can be an orange tile, or if you think of your the different tiles you have in your classroom, anything can be used as a non-standard unit as long as it fits over the shape without overlapping. Today we're just going to be using these orange tiles though. So I know that my tiles have covered the whole shape without overlapping anywhere. So let's count how many we have for our area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that our area for this figure is 10 units squared. So if we count our perimeter, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We know our perimeter for this figure is going to be 16 units. 16 units, sorry, not squared. Perimeter is not squared. Let's try one more. We'll try the orange one. After this, you guys should have a good idea of what you'll be doing today and how to find the area and perimeter using our non-standard units. what our area is going to be. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we know that our area is going to be 24 units. Another way you can do that kind of quickly is you can count how many is on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then how many units goes down the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know that 4 times 6 is 24, so you can try that as well if you want to try to do it a little quicker. So let's count around our perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you know that our perimeter is going to be 20 units. And again, just remember when you're counting the perimeter, the corners to count each side of the tile or the corner. So you guys can move on. You can start the worksheet. That'll be the next step after this video, and then you'll move on to work with your partners to do this activity. Have a good day. Bye-bye.